BMW M8 Convertible, sustained front end collision damage. So the vehicle had a black wrap on it. We're starting to pull it off. Still in the process of taking off the wrap. Body's pretty clean other than the damage I showed you in the front. A couple scratches on the rear bumper there. Not too bad. Zoom out a little bit, let's get a clear shot. There we go. Nice and clean from the doors back. Still got to take the wrap off on this fender. We'll be selling this with a salvage title. It does run, it does drive. Go with damage again. Need a headlight. Front bumper cover has some damage. The hood can be repaired. You need a grill. You can see the radiator and condenser have not been affected at all. Take a look inside. Interior is a little dirty. We'll clean this up. Powers up, it drives. That's just dust. We'll have to detail the interior, but it's a really nice looking car. Everything in the engine compartment looks good right now. Perfect. Radiator support, radiator condenser, everything looks good. It's not a heavy collision. The airbags are intact. No frame damage. Aprons are in place, strut towers are in place. Everything looks good under the hood. So